you ready? I'm Larry Madsen.
Yes.
I'm with. I'm here in Nashville, Tennessee. And
what are we looking at?
we're looking at a 1975 International Scout. It was my Scout went to SEMA in 2016.
Whose booth was it in?
Exalta Paint.
How was the reception of it?
Oh, it was at that year. That was the only Scout at SEMA. In subsequent years, they've had other ones, but this is the only one that was there then. And yet everybody loved it.
That's a sure.
It's a beautiful truck. Did you build it?
No, Larry Burchett out in Knoxville, Tennessee helped me. That's all he does. He does show cars, and this was kind of a fun project for him.
So how long have you had it?
I've had it, well, I bought it in 2014 from California, had it shipped out to Knoxville, and started working on it in 2014 and ended up 2016 finishing it. So it's been done for, I guess, 4 years now. Got some cool little features on it, like this is a Mitsubishi little cap instead of the original, the little pop out they have.
Well, that's pretty cool. Does that work pretty well?
Yeah, it works perfect.
Doesn't drip or have any overflow problems?
No, it's got the whole, it runs back and all that. But yeah, interior is done by Steve Holcomb. So.
Oh wow, I love the leather.
I've got the hardtop with it too. I took it to SEMA with the hardtop.
It's a soft top that's got a dome light. That is totally cool.
Yeah. A little dusty, but yeah.
It's all right. It's a Scout. Any future plans?
No, just drive it till I can't drive it.
Enjoy.
Yeah. I've had a few offers on it, but I won't sell it. My wife loves it more than I do, so.
That's how I feel about it.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So what motor are we running?
I'm running a 5.3. Yeah, my wife drives it. She loves it. She drives it more than I do. Actually, the guys here know my wife more than they know me. Just a lot of times I'm working or
I'm
something.
waiting for him to redo mine so I can drive it.
But yeah, it's been completely gone through. It's a rotisserie restoration. In fact, actually at SEMA, there was a guy came up to me, told me he accused me of having a fiberglass body because the underbody's painted with bed liner paint, same color as the body. Look how that door shuts, man. Wow, how'd you do that? Yeah.
Can we hear it run?
Sure.
Did you buy it like this? Or?
No, I had
Wow.
2014 I
Love it.
bought it. It looked like a yellow station wagon when I bought it.
Really? This is so cool. Oh.
That's smooth.
Yes, it is.
How's it doing the highway?
As far
How's
as
it-
speed or
just
mileage?
Mileage,
Well, I'll tell you a funny story.
how it handles.
When I brought it back from Knoxville, it started raining, and I had the old windshield wipers on it. And I was going about 85 miles an hour, and I hit my windshield wipers, and because these are big, square, blocky cars, the windshield wipers actually pulled off, and I was wiping air. I had to slow down so I could wipe the rain off my windshield.
It's
So,
pretty cool.
yeah, it runs great. It tracks really well. I actually had a few guys. After it was all done, I had some issues with the steering, and I put it on some four-wheel drive guys, and they fixed everything on that. So it tracks really well now.
So you say you've had people try to buy it, you wouldn't sell it.
Yeah, I had a guy at Beverly Hills offer me $100,000 for it. And
That's low.
that's what I said.
Absolutely.
I told him to go to the guys in Ohio that charge $150,000 to $200,000
There you go.
for it. So, but yeah, I don't think my wife would let me sell it at this point.
Well, if she's in love, you're in love.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, thank you for showing us that.
Sure.